Choose positive or negative. Positive people are always happy, optimistic, and ready to face all difficulties, while negative people live forever in a gloomy and self-deprecating feeling. Everyone's life, too, is always a collection of unpredictable surprises, changes, ups and downs. However, in the same life, some people always feel happy, cheerful, and ready to face everything so that from there, they achieve success and are loved by many people. And some people always live in a gloomy atmosphere, with no motivation to do anything. So what is the reason for that difference? The answer is your attitude towards life. Only when you maintain a positive and bright attitude toward life, you can seize the opportunities that arise in your life, and move towards a life full of happiness. If you are not sure what a positive person is and what a negative person is, here are the 10 most basic differences between the two kinds of people. The way you accept changes will partly reflect your attitude and lifestyle. If positive people are never afraid of change, always ready to accept new things to be able to become more perfect, negative people just want to be loyal to what is immovable. Positive people always understand that the failure is the mother of success. Failure is not scary, but it is the lessons that help you grow. In contrast, negative people suppose failure as weak, and become bored and lose motivation to try. Positive optimist people always want to be challenged with hard work, because through them they train their will and learn new things. Negative people always choose the easy thing because they are afraid of falling. That's why, as much as they can avoid it, they will avoid it. People with a positive attitude toward life are always inspired by the success of others. They will ask themselves the question, what can I learn from those people? Negative people are not. The excellence of others is like a thorn in their eyes, making them feel jealous and threatened because others' success means they have lost. Mistakes make positive people mature. They are not afraid of comments because it is thanks to those honest comments that they know where they are lacking. People who always keep a negative attitude feel offended every time they are denied. Study, study more, study forever is the life proverb of positive people. For them, it's never too late to learn. Negative people always believe that they know it all and are less sensitive to new knowledge. A positive attitude helps people to always put themselves in the position of a champion, which means they are always confident in themselves and do not feel inferior to others. Its opposite is a negative attitude. Negative people often tend to close, they often feel self-deprecating, so they often lower their heads and are afraid to communicate. In the same situation, positive people will accept everything with an optimistic mindset. They always see the hope at the end of the tunnel, while negative people always feel gloomy and lose all will to fight, though opportunity and hope are still there. No one in this world is 100% perfect, positive people know that. So they accept they can also fail, can also make mistakes. The important thing is that they know how to take responsibility for what they did. Negative people like to blame others and find ways to make themselves innocent. Attitude forward life is something that can be completely widespread around. Positive people spread positivity, and negative people only pull others down. Positive people never skimp on compliments, because they know well-timed encouragement can boost people's confidence. Negative people only know themselves. They deny the efforts of all and think that it is something that others must do. Positive or negative is the choice that determines your whole life. Life is not always rosy, so be optimistic and move forward.
Subscribe to continue listening to my English radio where I will share interesting things from life. I love you. I'm Honey.